Week 1 wrap up. Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the first week of the 8-week session, it means that we have covered 1/8 of the class, or the equivalent of 2 weeks worth of work. Please check the schedule found on the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I also post them on the Blackboard calendar. A few reminders are in order. The Cultural Geography News number 1 is due tonight, Friday, April 6th by 11:59 p.m. Number 2, the Cultural Geography Special Topic number 1 is due tomorrow, Saturday, April 7th by 11:59 p.m. Make sure you are clear that these are two different discussions. Please make sure and read the details for each of the assignments. Also, make sure and read the assigned chapters in your textbook as well, and make sure and review the PowerPoint lectures. I've included an instructional video for each of the lectures. The videos are from the 11th edition of the textbook, but they still work. While most of you have introduced yourself in the icebreaker, 9 of you still have not. You are where you were supposed to have introduced yourselves by Wednesday night. If you are one of those 9 students, please submit your introduction as soon as possible. On the same subject, 6 students have not yet logged into the course. In an online course, that means you did not show up for class on the first day of classes, which by school policy is grounds for the instructor to drop you from the course. If those 6 students have not logged into the course by tonight, they will be dropped from the course probably tomorrow morning. I may send an email reminding those students, but you have been warned via this announcement. On Sunday, I will be sending an announcement telling you what is happening on week 2. Have a nice weekend. Best, Samuel Cortez.